like the white Mad Boots.
I think these are Synergy.
Yeah, they felt like hydraulic.
No, yeah, they could be. These might be
Feels like hydraulic.
Endura. Yeah, these are Endura.
See if we can go with
I guess so. All right.
them. Yeah, these are newer because it doesn't chime when you hit the button too. That's a thing the newer elevators do.
They have the old logo.
We should probably take the
It's actually on 2.
yeah.
At least this place is open, unlike seemingly everywhere else on this campus right now.
Yeah, I'm not sure why everything's closed.
It's gotta be spring break.
Because there normally be people wandering, and there's nobody.
Yeah, this looks just like the dorm floor. Typical dorm.
Funny thing is, the elevator said it was a cargo area. This building just sort of is called Lodgepole.
These are pretty big areas.
The weird thing is, this is like brand new, and it's got HID proximity, and not something else.
Gibby. Yeah, I do like the amount of natural. Look at that exit sign. I've not seen one that's triangular like that. And of course, my camera has all sorts of smudges and crap on it as usual. Anyway, let's head down. Funny how you could just walk right into the dorms.
This one's good for me.
I bet that one on the first floor was perhaps upside down.
We're gonna go to 2.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a card reader there. I wonder if there is. No, there's not. Doesn't read my card. These cabs are very plain, but they get the job done, I guess.
It feels like most dorm cabs are usually very plain.
Yeah. Well, that way they're less susceptible, I guess.
Most dorm elevators I see are typically comparable in terms of aesthetics to parking garage elevators. Anyway, let's skip the chime. Nice. Anyway, that's it.